up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test the Akaso Trace 1 dashcam. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we have a new video, new product. We have this Akaso Trace 1 dashcam. Alright, this one is a better quality. It records 1080p resolution, 60 frames per second, and also it says that it has a night vision, so it records at night very good. So let's open and see what is inside the box. Let's unbox it. All right, let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it comes on the box. It comes the connection for the cigarette lighter, and it has a USB connection. That's cool. And these are the clips if you want to put it on the window. A suction cup. This one is a suction cup. It goes here on the front. Trim remover if you want to put the cable on the trim, and the camera. Okay. It doesn't come with a SD card, okay? So you have to get your own SD card. So it says insert SD cards, okay? So let's put it on the car and let's see how it works. All right? And it comes with the instructions. Okay, to put the suction cup, you have to remove this rubber thing, like the logo. Oh, I forgot to bring the trim tool. Okay, remove this one, and then this one, you will slide it like this. Okay, and I think I could put the logo back. All right, like that. That's it. So remember, okay, I have an extra SD card, but before you put the SD card, if you have some files on the SD card, remove everything first before you put the SD card here, alright? And now, so let's connect this here. Before you put the camera on the windshield, connect this because the space is very small. Connect this first, okay? So now it's recording. Let me turn on the car. And let's put the air because it's super cold. I mean super hot. Okay. Right here you can see the camera. Let's see the settings. It has 4 buttons on the bottom. So this one is to pause the recording. You can see right there. You can press record on this one or pause the recording. This one, the first one, each button, it will be each setting that it shows on the screen. Alright? I don't know if you can see it. This one, it will record front, both sides, the front camera and the rear camera. But I think if you put both cameras on, the file is gonna get bigger, so you will need to get a bigger SD card. Alright? So I think for me it's better only the front. Alright? And on the settings right here, let's select this one. You can press okay, this one it says okay, the circle it says okay, so I can select the settings or the camera settings. So let's start with the camera settings. So you can change the resolution, loop recording, dual display, audio. If you want to record the audio, to show the date on the video, and what else? And the sensor. Okay, so that's it for that one. So let's go back, and now let's select the other settings. This one, let me see, you can see it. A screensaver. In this one you can turn on and off the screensaver, or you can let it 30 seconds. After 30 seconds to turn off the screen. I noticed something. If you leave it on all the time, the camera gets hotter. Alright, so I think it's better if you put it like a 1 minute. 1 minute is okay. Okay, so after 1 minute it will turn off the screen. Also make sure that the camera is pointing in the right direction and is recording the area that you want to record. Alright, so let's put okay. And this one you can set the time. Let's see, you can see it. Time, date, and the year. Alright, so that's it. I already added the beeps, language, parking monitor, format. Sometimes you have to format the SD card before you put it here. Alright, right, that's the format. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, it's blurry, sorry about that. And that's it. So now let's test the camera on the road and let's see how good this one it is. Alright, the resolution. Wide angle lens. Okay guys, this is the Akaso Trace 1 dashcam. Okay, this dashcam is around $65. I think the price is good because this one is better quality, it records better, the resolution is better, and at night it records much better than the one I did before. Alright, but let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. If you have a question, put it in the comments too. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one because I have more mods that I'm gonna do to the car. Okay, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, see you on the next video.